In WebShop Manager, you have the ability to create new users to your WebShop Manager account. Before you start, only account owners are allowed to create a new user. First, make sure you are logged into the back end of your WebShop Manager account and hover your mouse over the System tab and select the New Users option. Next, located on the upper right-hand side of the screen, click on the green Add User button. The next screen to appear will prompt you to create a user for your account. There are only 5 mandatory fields that you must fill in order to create a new user. They are your username, your first name, the last name, an email address, and permissions. The username should be unique to the individual. An example of this would be the initial of their first name and their entire last name. In my example, I'm going to put A. Jennings. The first and last name will be the name of the individual you are creating the account for. In the email field, you will put the email account the individual is receiving their emails. The permissions field have 5 options to choose from. They are Owner, which has a complete access to the back end of your WebShop Manager account and can manage other user accounts. Manager, they have access to all the settings except for creating or managing user accounts. Staff have the ability to access and edit content, modules, and catalog menus only. Sales have access to the orders and menus only. And finally, service. They can only access submitted inquiries on the customer menu. There are also 4 fields that are optional to fill in. They are title, middle initial, status, and send email. In the status field, if set to active, the user will be able to access their account. If set to inactive, the user will not have access to their account. If the box checked in the send email field, an email will be sent to the individual which contains their username and password. Once you have filled in the appropriate fields, click on the green Create User button located at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. And after, a green box will appear at the top of your screen informing you that your user has been created. If you need to delete a user, go back to your User Access screen, find a user you want to delete, open up their file, and click on the red Delete button at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. If you need more assistance with your website, please do not hesitate to reach out to WebShop Manager. Thank you for watching.